Kedi Tonight Shisha Bar by RepublicDesign in Taipei, China. Mist. The first thing that came into our mind when we started to work on this F&B design, which became our core concept of this project. The LED light is installed at the ceiling, starting from the entrance to the end of the space, running through the smoke from the shisha, like blood running through the veins inside a human body. While the LED light is covered up with smoke, it creates a more mystic and spiritual atmosphere. Viewing from the entrance, the right side is a VIP lounge area. The seating of the VIP area is extended to the window, integrally connected to the outside as a planting landscape. The curvy ceiling creates a cave-ish window display, to create a more mysterious atmosphere and drawing people's curiosity from the outside. We separate the counter bar into two, which are a shisha bar and a cocktail bar. It seems like we created two main characters as well as two main stages of the space. The steel-made countertop, alongside acrylic, LED lights, and oak wood texture, creates a more lightweight and raw finished environment.